yeah.
Boxing Day. Hello, lovely. Good day. How you all doing? I believe you are good, fine, and handsome and beautiful. So, in today's vlog, I want to unbox my Christmas special gift for my hubby living in Canada. So, I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. Wow. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Let us unbox together. So very, very heavy. How did we package all these things like this? Jesus. Kini ìpani ọkọ mi rà kìí ní ìpani what is inside? That's my side guy. Oh wow, wow, lovely. Can you see my beautiful new shoe? Yeah. Oh wow, can you see my shoes are beautiful? Oh, Father, look, can you see my beautiful shoe from my husband? Oh, wow, wow, I'm so happy. Thank you, hubby. Thank you. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Wow. Not that one is. I have plenty shoes here. Kilo day bag. Thank you. Which one she like? Let me go for this. Wow, oh, so beautiful. Yeah, I love this. Can you see what I am seeing? Can you all see my slippers? Wow, oh, beautiful. Oh, God. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Thank you, darling. Wow. Can you see what I am seeing? God will bless you, ọkọ mi. Ọlọ́run á dẹ́ ẹ sí fún mi o. Àtúbọ̀ máa rówó máa fi ra nǹkan fún mi àtàwọn ọmọ o. Can you see? Wow. Ọlọ́run á dẹ́ ẹ sí fún mi, ọkọ mi o. I'm so happy. Oh, can you all see what I am saying? Wow, this is the third shoe. Wow. Ọkọ mi orí ìnáwó, you really spent money o. Chanel. Can you see my sandal? My chain sandal. A night robe, a white night robe. Thank you for me. Thank you, my baby boy, my husband, my hubby, my boo boo. Thank you. Yeah, Jesus. Wow. Oh, my up and down. Wow, 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 wow. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. What is this? Jesus. What's this? Jesus. A traveling bag. Wow. So beautiful traveling bag. Wish you come me. God will continue to bless you for me. Oh. Yo, my bag is beautiful. My traveling bag. You bought this bag for me. You just want me to travel, Sha. You just want me to come to Canada, Sha. It is well, yo. I'm in love with this bag. Wow, I'm in love. I am in love with my bag, my traveling bag. Wow. Oh, God. My lovelies, I want to write my daily goals for today. Yeah, I am done writing my daily goals. So these are what I want to achieve today.